Hey there, welcome to the Dotstore YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide specific WooCommerce shipping methods based on different conditions for each customer. First, let's understand why you need to hide specific shipping methods for your customers based on different criteria and conditions. So let's see a real example here. As you can see, we have created one shipping zone for the United States, and in this shipping zone, we have set up 3 different shipping methods: flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. The free shipping is eligible when the cart's total amount exceeds $59. We've set up a minimum order amount requirement for free shipping. So let's see how these shipping methods work on the front side. We are currently on the cart page of our online store where we've added one product item to the cart. As you can see, we currently have 2 shipping methods available here: flat rate and local pickup. Since we've configured the minimum subtotal order amount for free shipping, let's increase the quantity of this item to exceed the $59 subtotal amount. Now that our subtotal is above $59, we can see the free shipping option also available here for selection. This is a real scenario where you might want to hide all the other shipping methods when your customers are eligible for free shipping, right? To increase the average order value, reduce customer confusion, and help prevent cart abandonment. In this type of scenario, you can use the Dotstore Hide Shipping plugin to remove any other unwanted shipping methods from your cart page based on different conditions and scenarios. To hide specific shipping methods conditionally, you need to get the Hide Shipping plugin from the Dotstore website. I'll link the plugin in the description below. So get your plugin, install it, and activate it on your website. Once you install and activate it, go to WooCommerce, Hide Shipping, and here is the general settings page where you can set up some basic rules. The first option is that we can hide all other shipping methods when the customer is eligible for free shipping. So once the cart has a free shipping option, you can hide all other shipping methods from your WooCommerce store. Let's save the settings and see the first real scenario that we just saw earlier in our example. So we're on the cart page, and as you can see, currently we have 2 shipping methods available. Now let's increase the product quantity to meet the free shipping requirements. As you can see, now we are eligible for free shipping as our cart subtotal exceeds $59. Earlier, before activating the plugin, all other shipping methods like flat rate and local pickup were also shown. But after installing the plugin, you can only see the free shipping option once the customer is eligible. And if we reduce the quantity again, then both flat rate and local pickup will be available for selection, as you can see here. If I increase it again, the other shipping methods will be hidden. This is how the hide shipping rule works on the front side. Now let's see some of the other general settings available here. You can also hide all other shipping methods when either free shipping or local pickup options are available on the cart page. You can select the second option for that. If you only want to hide a specific shipping method when free shipping is available in the cart, you can select the third option. Then choose the shipping methods you want to hide from the drop-down list when free shipping is active. If you want more advanced conditional rules based on different scenarios, for example, hiding shipping methods based on specific products, customer location, cart subtotal, and more, then you can select the last option here and save the changes. Once you do that, a new Manage Rules menu will be available in the plugin settings page. Click on that. Here, you can set up different kinds of conditional hide shipping rules by clicking on the Add New button. Let's see how to set up a hide shipping rule using a conditional setup. Once you click the Add New button, a configuration section will appear. First, enable the toggle to activate the rule and give your hide shipping rule a name. It doesn't matter much, but it's good to provide a descriptive name to easily understand the rule. Let's say we name it Hide Shipping on Subtotal $100 Above for US. Now, select the shipping method you want to hide in this rule. In our case, we want to hide flat rate shipping options once the cart total exceeds $100 and the shipping country is the United States. Here you can select different conditions to set up your hide shipping rule. You can use location-specific conditions such as country, state, city, or zone. You can also apply product-based conditions based on products, categories, and product attributes as well. You can even hide methods based on users and user roles, and many more conditions like cart-specific ones, such as cart subtotal, quantity, weight, shipping class, as well as the payment method. So in our example, we want to hide the flat rate shipping method when the country is the United States and the cart subtotal exceeds $100. So we'll select the country as the United States and cart subtotal condition and set the rule to greater than or equal to 100. Also, make sure to select the All option from the drop-down here. This ensures the hide shipping rule only applies when both conditions match. The country is the United States and the subtotal is $100 or more. Now save the changes. So, our hide shipping rule has been created and saved properly. Let's see how it works on the front side. So we have added one product item to the cart, and on the cart page, as you can see, we are currently able to see 3 shipping options: flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. As we configured in our hide shipping plugin, it should hide the flat rate shipping method when the selected country is the United States. As you can see here, we have selected the country as the US, and the subtotal should be above $100. So our first condition related to the country is already matching. To match the second condition, let's increase the product quantity to exceed the subtotal above $100. As you can see, now our subtotal is above $100 and it has hidden the flat rate shipping option from the shipping list. Let's change the country to see how it works. For example, if I select Canada, then it will again display the flat rate shipping option, and it's displaying again correctly, as you can see. Now let's go to the checkout page and see how it works there. If I select the country as Canada, then it will display the flat rate shipping option. And if I select the country as the US, then it will hide the flat rate shipping option because the subtotal is already above $100. So this is how it works with different conditions and methods. You can set up hide shipping rules and hide any shipping method based on the various criteria and conditions available in the plugin. Let's fill in all the required billing details and complete the checkout with the free shipping option. So we have completed our order using the free shipping option, as you can see here in the order details section. This is how you can create different conditional hide shipping rules and hide any specific WooCommerce shipping methods based on various conditions and criteria for each customer in your WooCommerce store. Check out the plugin and let us know how it works for you. I hope this video guide was helpful. For premium plugins, visit our website. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more WooCommerce tips like this. Thank you for watching.